I'm Yiannis Kompatsiaris. I'm the director of CERTH-ITI and the coordinator of AI4Media. First of all, I would like to say that before the community workshop, we had our last AI4Media physical meeting here, and it was, the whole AI4Media experience has been very challenging, but also very rewarding experience. And when we started almost 4 years ago, we really didn't expect that it is going to be such a success. For the community workshop itself, we were a bit anxious being among the main organizers and hosting the event here. But at the end, we are very happy because it seems that everything went well. We really liked the engagement and how much people were motivated to contribute. And I think with all these challenges and opportunities around AI, it's very important to have these meetings, hybrid, but also the physical part is important, where people can meet each other, exchange opinions, and plan future directions. I think the main outcome is that collaboration is not easy, but it is useful. And we should push towards this direction in order to have AI made in Europe possible.